Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the oil and the service inspection light on this 2014 Seat Leon. Now, it's quite a straightforward reset. It's done in two parts. All we're going to be using is the button on the centre of the dash here, and you're just going to need to turn the ignition to stage 2, which is where the lights are on there. So to start with, just have the key out, put the key in. We're going to press and hold this button while turning the ignition on, just to do the first stage. Once you do that, just keep the button depressed. You'll get the first message, release the button, press the button once. That's done the first part to it. Now the second part, we're going to do exactly the same procedure again. We're going to keep this button depressed for a little bit longer till it goes to the second message. So we'll just show you that now. Wait for the first message to appear and it will change. Once on the second message, release and press again. And that's all reset. So both parts reset. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.